Video is the MVP of tourism marketing, with 91% of companies using it and travel content driving massive engagement. It's no surprise. Video captures the heart of a destination in ways photos and text can't. So the real question is, are you using it to its full potential? Hey everyone, Kay here, and today with VidPros, I'm diving into smart, proven video marketing strategies that can help your travel DMO stand out, attract more visitors, and turn wanderlust into real bookings. Let's talk about how to make video content that gets results. If you're a tourism marketer or part of a destination management organization and you're struggling to get the visibility, engagement, or conversions your destination deserves, this is for you. Let's start with the basics. What is a DMO? A Destination Management Organization, or DMO, is the official group that manages and promotes tourism for a city, region, or country. You're responsible for bringing together local stakeholders, crafting campaigns, improving visitor experience, and growing the local economy through tourism. DMO responsibilities include creating marketing campaigns, promoting cultural and natural attractions, coordinating with local businesses and governments, managing tourism infrastructure, leading crisis communication and recovery efforts. Why video is the MVP of tourism marketing? Video is the most effective way to showcase a destination. It stirs emotion, captures attention, and gives potential visitors a sense of being there long before they book. Why it works? 91% of companies use video because it converts. Video builds stronger emotional connections than static images or text. It drives more engagement across social platforms. Know your audience before you press record. One-size-fits-all content doesn't work anymore. Your visitors don't all behave the same online. To create content that clicks, you need to understand who they are, what platforms they use, and what kind of stories interest them. Examples of audience preferences: adventure seekers, fast-paced reels or TikToks, cultural travelers, long-form YouTube documentaries, eco-tourists, authentic, behind-the-scenes stories, high-converting video types for DMOs. Let's talk about the kinds of videos that consistently perform well in tourism. Different videos serve different purposes, from sparking interest to nudging action. Choose the format that matches your campaign goals and audience expectations. Top-performing DMO video types: destination overviews, a visual story showing the essence of your location; seasonal showcases, urgency-based videos for festivals or seasonal events; local culture stories featuring artisans, chefs, or traditions; hidden gems, partner with influencers to reveal insider favorites; platform-specific strategies that actually work. Each platform has its own vibe, strengths, and audience behavior. What works on YouTube won't work the same way on TikTok. Use platform-specific strategies to tailor your message and format for better performance. Best uses by platform: YouTube, long-form, searchable, informative videos; Instagram, Reels, Stories, and highlights for short visual bursts; TikTok, relatable, raw, trend-driven content that feels real. Technical tips that make a big difference. You don't need a huge budget to create professional content. You need smart production choices. Focus on key areas like video resolution, lighting, and sound. Even with a smartphone, you can produce quality content that looks polished and trustworthy. Production must-haves: shoot in 4K, even if uploading in 1080p. Use a quality microphone for clean audio. Match aspect ratios to the platform. Use consistent color grading to reflect your destination's mood. Content planning that saves you stress. Posting randomly doesn't work anymore. You need a plan. A year-round content calendar ensures you're consistently publishing timely, relevant content that aligns with tourism cycles and marketing goals. Include in your content plan seasonal content, spring festivals, holiday events, off-season stories, quiet retreats, hidden value, behind-the-scenes during live events, real-time visitor feedback and reactions, user-generated content that builds trust. Sometimes the most powerful promotion comes from your visitors. User-generated content feels more authentic and relatable. It builds trust while saving you time and budget on original production. How to leverage user-generated content. Promote a branded hashtag. Ask permission to reshare quality posts. Engage with contributors to boost visibility. Feature traveler videos and photos in your campaigns. Collaborate with locals and influencers. You don't have to create everything alone. Collaborating with locals and influencers gives your content fresh perspectives and broader reach. It also builds stronger community ties and increased content credibility. Collaboration ideas. Invite micro-influencers for storytelling takeovers. Highlight local business owners and artisans. Co-create campaigns with tourism partners. Showcase local guides or ambassadors in short features. Measure what actually matters. Vanity metrics won't help you improve your strategy. Track performance that leads to action like engagement depth and conversion paths. Use insights to double down on what works and tweak what doesn't. Important metrics to track: view-through rate or VTR, how long people watch, shares, saves, and comments, engagement quality, website clicks and booking inquiries, real-world impact, email signups from video call to actions, long-term interest. Sustainable video production for DMOs. Sustainability isn't just a travel trend, it's a responsibility. Your production process should reflect the values you promote to your visitors. Choosing eco-conscious methods shows you're serious about protecting what makes your destination worth visiting. Sustainable practices to adopt. Hire local video crews to cut down travel. Use reusable or digital-first planning tools. Invest in LED lighting and rechargeable equipment. Highlight sustainable tourism practices in your content. Now, a successful video marketing strategy for DMOs is built on knowing your audience, choosing the right video formats, adapting content for each platform, planning ahead with intention, collaborating with your local community, tracking results beyond views, and producing content responsibly. Video isn't just another marketing tool. It's your most powerful way to connect with travelers, tell your story, and drive bookings. If your content strategy is working and demand starts to grow, that's great. But it can also stretch your internal resources thin. Consistently producing high-quality platform-optimized videos takes time, skill, and capacity. That's where professional support comes in. At VidPros, we offer video editing services designed specifically for content creators, marketers, and DMOs. Whether you need help cutting down footage, refining visuals, or optimizing videos for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, we've got your back. Let us handle the editing so you can focus on telling the stories that make your destination shine.